Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the electromagnetic waves, Science 9, Term 1, Week 7. This is day 2, types of electromagnetic waves. Objectives: explain the uses and possible effects of each type of electromagnetic wave in daily life. Value the importance of electromagnetic waves in communication, medicine, and modern technology. And construct an electromagnetic spectrum chart correctly arranged from lowest to highest energy. Okay, for motivational activity, ayan, kakontahin niyo ba ito? Ang tono nito is twinkle, twinkle. Ayan, scenario. A world without signals. Imagine one day, no cell phone signal, no Wi-Fi, no sunlight, no X-ray machines in hospitals, no remote controls, no microwave ovens. So what do these technologies have in common? Okay, they all use electromagnetic waves. Cell phone, Wi-Fi, X-ray machines, remote controls, microwave ovens, and even sunlight depend on electromagnetic energy to work. How do signals travel without wires? So signals travel without wires through electromagnetic waves such as radio waves and microwaves. These waves move through the air and even through empty space to carry information. So what kind of energy allows sunlight to reach Earth? Okay, that is electromagnetic energy or the light energy, which is a form of electromagnetic radiation. It does not need air to travel, so it can move through the vacuum of space. Okay, let us define these terminologies. Okay, a range of sequence of waves. Spectrum. Number of waves passing per second, that is frequency. The length of one complete wave, wavelength. Energy that travels through space, that is radiation. Process of removing germs. Okay, ang tawag doon is sterilization. Emitting energy from unstable atoms, radioactive. Type of wave related to heat, infrared. Type of wave beyond violet light. Okay, that is ultraviolet. Okay, what is the electromagnetic spectrum? The electromagnetic spectrum is the complete range of electromagnetic wave arranged according to wavelength, frequency, and energy. Ang ibang tawag po nito is electromagnetic spectrum family. Yung members ng mga nasa spectrum, that is one family. Okay, from lowest energy to highest energy, ang arrangement po niyan is from radio wave to gamma ray. Ang pinaka-lowest energy po is radio wave, pinakamataas ang energy is gamma ray. So kung i-arrange natin from radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. Yan po yung arrangement. So kung titignan natin, mula dito sa kaliwa ang radio wave, papunta sa kanan, from lowest energy to highest energy. Okay, types of electromagnetic waves. Okay, we have radio waves. It has the longest wavelength, lowest energy, lowest frequency. So the uses of radio waves, radio broadcasting, TV signals, cell phone communication, navigation system. Okay, situations when you listen to FM radio, radio waves carry the signal from the station to your radio. Okay, number 2 is microwave radiation. It occupies the spectrum from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz with wavelengths from 1 meter to 1 mm. So microwaves, shorter than radio waves, used in cooking and communication. And then microwaves oven, satellite communication, Wi-Fi, and radar. Ano ba yung radar? That is radio detection and ranging. Yan yung ginagamit ng mga eroplano sa kanang navigation sa dagat. Yung tinatawag na radar. Ginagamit din po yung pag-detect ng length, yung haba o yung lalim ng dagat using the echo. Okay, when heating food in a microwave oven, microwaves cause water molecules in food to vibrate, producing heat. But overexposures may damage body cells. Okay, infrared naman. So, dun sa microwave. Felt as heat produced by warm objects. Okay, gamit ito sa remote controls, heat lamps, night vision cameras, infrared photography. Okay, situation when you feel heat from the sun or a fire, you are feeling infrared radiation. Okay, the visible light. Ito naman po yung nakikita ng mata ng tao. Ayan, visible to human eye. Yung tinatawag natin na visible light. Nasa pinakagitna ito. So the only part humans can see, wavelength is from 400 to 700 nanometer. Uses in lighting, photography, optical communication. Okay, the rainbow is made of visible light separated into colors. O yung pong visible light na hahati yan sa iba't ibang kulay. Yung tinatawag natin na Roy G. Biv, the color of the rainbows. The 7 colors of the rainbow, the Roy G. Biv, or the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So naka-arrange po yan sa ang sa wavelength, pinakamahabang wavelength is the orange. Pinakamaikling wavelength sa kulay na yan is violet. So in terms of energy, highest ang energy ng violet at lowest ang red doon sa visible light. Kaya mayroong color ang nakikita natin, it's because of the visible light. Okay, next sa visible light is the ultraviolet. Ultraviolet, higher energy than visible light. Okay, used in sterilizing medical tools, yung pampatay ng bacteria. Detecting fake money, yun, pang-detect. Fluorescent lamps. Yung ginagamit baga pong may flashlight para malaman kung fake ang pera o hindi. That is UV ray. Okay, effects, helps body produce vitamin D. Kapag nasubrahan naman, it causes sunburn. Too much exposure may lead to skin cancer. Okay, sunod naman is X-ray. Yun. Ang X-ray, ginagamit niya sa medicine. Very high energy, short wavelength, medical imaging, airport security, checking cracks in metal. Can damage healthy cells. Yan, too much exposure. At ang pinakapanghuli po, yung pinakamataas ang energy at pinakamaikli ang wavelength is the gamma ray or the gamma radiation. A gamma ray is the type of electromagnetic radiation with the highest energy in the shortest wavelength. Ayan, shortest wavelength, highest frequency, and highest energy. It used to in cancer treatment, sterilizing equipment, and nuclear medicine. And kahit po sa tinatawag natin na nuclear energy. Yan sa electrical energy production. Very dangerous in high amounts kasi ito po ay highly penetrating. It can penetrate even a thin sheets of gold. Ayan. Build your own EM spectrum. Instruction, create a colorful electromagnetic spectrum chart on short band paper. Your output must include correct arrangement of the 7 members of the electromagnetic wave spectrum family, indication of increasing energy direction, at least one use for each type, illustration or symbol representing each wave. Okay, example, radio tower for radio waves, microwave oven for microwaves, sun for infrared, eye for visible light, sunscreen for UV, X-ray bone image, radiation symbol for gamma ray. Okay, this is the rubric.